Knowing the NACE health standards is an important part of being an early childhood professional. The health standards not only keep the children healthy, but also keep them safe. It is important to know that children are surrounded by others who take their health and safety seriously. When knowing the health standards, this helps professionals to know what proper procedures to follow when they are with young children. The health standards laid out by NACE are ones that are important to keep everyone healthy and safe. Early childhood educators are looked to be a role model for the children and a resource to the parents and families. To be educated in the NACE health standards, early educators can share this information with them so that they are always following the same practices at home. It is also important to know that health standards because this will help the children be successful in their education. If children are following proper health standards, then they are not only staying healthy, but also being able to grow and develop as best possible. The knowledge of the health standards helps early educators know what to do when children get sick and how to help the spread of illness from not happening by having the right policies and procedures in place for exclusion. When environments are healthy and free of illness, then the children are happy and eager to learn. When environments have illness, then children are not fully present and are not gaining anything from their everyday activities. When early educators are aware of the health standards, they can feel confident on what to do when situations arise. This will also help in teaching children the proper techniques to follow in order to keep themselves and their families safe and healthy. It is also important to know so that children are nourished with the proper foods throughout the day. One action to promote child health is to be consistent with the NACE standards is proper hand washing. This standard will be something that helps the children in making this a part of their everyday routine and something they use at home. Another action to promote child health is teachers gaining the proper training when it comes to illness. It is important for teachers to have CPR training in case of an emergency so that they can step in and help children. Along with this, teachers should be aware of what needs to happen if a child does develop an illness, and this also involves knowing how to keep the other children from getting sick by excluding the sick child from the program. It is also key to make sure families are being communicated with when there is an illness that directly affects a child in the class.